Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marco. If it's your first time watching, please subscribe, share and like. I am passionate about aviation and would love to show you aviation in South Africa. And in this video I'm going to be flying with my instructor Rico. We're going to be doing some circuit pattern training and practicing my landings. So you'll see I'm looking straight ahead at the runway, hoping for a good landing. Ooh, I hit that one a bit hard, but luckily I'm still training, so I'm learning all the tricks. Let's see on this next one if I can get a nice smooth landing. Almost there. Ah yes, it was better. Bit of rudder work, bit of crosswind, but it was much better. Here's another landing on the final approach. Yeah, that looked better. Okay, keep an eye on my instructor. He pulled the power to the airplane. So now I'm flying an airplane, technically without an engine. So I'm flying a glider basically. So I'm now gliding, aiming for an empty field. In this case it's a mine dump. Yeah, so we're dropping altitude. I'm stressing like a chicken without a head. Trying to remember checklists and procedures, and you can see the wing is dropping quite a lot. We're quite close to the ground. It's very close, going closer to the ground, almost touching the ground. And there's power back on, and we're gaining altitude again. Ooh, that went well. And now we're back in the sky. And we're looking for the runway again, coming in for a landing. On final approach. If you have watched this far and you have really enjoyed this, please subscribe, like and share this video. I would like to thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!